What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this video we are gonna do some ringtones on the LG VM101 with Virgin Mobile. As you know, I've already made the review, but in this video we're gonna go over the ringtones. So let me hit my stuff. Ringtone. Oh yeah, if you want, actually, hold on, wait. If you have auto phone and if you want to just listen to ringtones, you're gonna hit this button up here and go to my stuff, which is this right here, ringtones, and these are the ringtones right here. But this video is gonna be a quick one, since because on these phones the ringtones, they have less ringtones, but like on the Android ones, like the Blue-L right here, the Blue-L I have, this one has a lot of ringtones. So yeah, Android phones have basically a lot of ringtones. So, but unlike these phones, they usually have a little bit of ringtone. So yeah, so we're gonna go over the ringtones right now. Sorry about that, my Blue-GR was turning on. So sit back and relax and enjoy. Oh, these are the text tones. Yep. Those are the ringtones and text tones. But let's see if we can find any alarm tones. I'm gonna try my best to find it. How do you... I don't think this one has any alarm tones. I can't not find it. Unless if I hit apps. Yeah, I don't think this one has any alarm tones. No. Go back. Tools. Oh, alarm clock. How do you go through the ringtones here? Oh. Wait, are these the same tones? Hold on. Yes, these are the same tones. Okay. Yeah, they have the same tones. The same ringtones and text tone. I don't know why. Yeah, but I guess for like Android phones, I guess it's different. But I think on this one they have like the same ringtones. Well, that's basically the ringtones of the LG VM101 by Virgin Mobile. If you guys like this video, please give this video a like, support the channel by subscribing, and feel free to leave any comments. Thank you for watching, and hold on, wait. And thank you for watching. Take care.